Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change touch and hold delay in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to accessibility. Then go to timing controls, and here select touch and hold delay option. Here it is already set to short. Okay, so touch and hold will be easily recognized within fraction of seconds. Okay, if you want to increase touch and hold delay, just click on medium. Okay, then click on long. Okay, so three timings are set here: short, medium and long. You can choose between these three. Okay, if you want to set to the default, choose one short. Okay, in this way you can easily change touch and hold delay in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.